Number 1. Lead a discussion. It means to guide or facilitate a discussion.
The professor will lead a discussion on ethics. The professor will lead a discussion on ethics. She led a discussion that was very engaging. She led a discussion that was very engaging. Can you lead a discussion at the meeting? Can you lead a discussion at the meeting?
Number 2. Lead a life. It means to live in a certain way.
He leads a life of quiet solitude. He leads a life of quiet solitude. They lead a life full of adventure. They lead a life full of adventure. She leads a life dedicated to helping others. She leads a life dedicated to helping others.
Number 3. Leave home. It means to move out of your family home, often to live independently.
Many young adults leave home for college. Many young adults leave home for college. He left home at 18 to travel abroad. He left home at 18 to travel abroad. She plans to leave home next year. She plans to leave home next year.
Number 4. Leave someone alone. It means to stop bothering or disturbing someone.
Just leave her alone, she needs some space. Just leave her alone, she needs some space. He asked to be left alone to think. He asked to be left alone to think. Leave someone alone if they request privacy. Leave someone alone if they request privacy.
Number 5. Leave something at home. It means to forget to bring something with you from home.
She left her phone at home today. She left her phone at home today. I always leave something important at home. I always leave something important at home. Don't leave your homework at home again. Don't leave your homework at home again.